Good morning. Welcome to our science class. So, children, today we will start with our fourth chapter, heat. Okay. So, this term heat is familiar to all of us, right? So, let's start. So, very first of all, heat. Heat is form of energy flowing from one body of matter to another spontaneously due to their temperature difference. That means here they are saying that heat is a form of energy. It will flow from one body to another one. Okay, why? Because due to their temperature difference. Cleared? Okay. Then characteristics of heat. Heat always transfer from body of higher temperature to body of lower temperature. That means it will always flow from higher temperature to lower temperature. Okay, or heat flows spontaneously from a hotter body to cooler body. Clear, children? Always it will flow from higher temperature to lower one. Clear? Fine. Now, hot and cold. In our daily life, we come across a number of objects. Yes or no? Yes. Some of them are very hot and some of them are very cold. For example, tea is hot and ice is cold. Then, some objects are hotter than others and some are colder than others. Yes or no? Yes. We often decide which object is hotter than the other by touching the objects. That means here we can decide that whether the object is hot or cold by touching the objects. Yes or no? Yes. Then we cannot always rely on our sense of touch to decide how hot or how cold an object is. That means here again they are saying that see always we cannot be able to rely on our sense of touch. Always it is not possible to rely upon that to decide whether the object is cold or hot. Okay, then what we will do, the hotness of an object is measured by its temperature. Okay, according to the temperature we can decide the hotness of an object. Clear? Next, when we add heat to a body, for example, if I'll add heat to a body, that means the motion of the particle inside the body will increase. Then after that what will happen? Suppose if I remove that same heat from the body, that means the motion of the particle which is there inside the body will decrease, vice versa. Clear? If we will add heat, then the particle motion will increase, and if we will remove the heat, that means the motion of its particle will decrease. Understood? Now, temperature. Temperature is a measure. What do you mean by temperature? Temperature is a measure of the degree of hotness or coldness of an object. It is a measurement of the degree of to decide hotness or coldness of an object. Now, the temperature of something tells us how hot or cold something is. For example, if the temperature is too much, if the temperature is too high, that means the object is too hot. Suppose the temperature is too cold, that means the temperature is very, that suppose the temperature is too less, that means that object is very cold. Understood? Now it depends on the temperature. Understood? According to, suppose it is very high, that means the temperature is suppose the temperature is too high, that means that subject is very hot. Suppose the temperature is too low, that means that object is very cold. Understood? Yes. Effect of heat. Now, when body is heated, various types of changes can happen. For example, like physical change and chemical change. Let's study about physical change. Physical change. First of all, change in temperature. Okay. So as I told you that when on adding heat to a body, its temperature will increase. Yes or no? Yes. Similarly, when we remove heat from the body, its temperature decrease. Yes or no? Yes. That is what change in temperature. Okay. Then change of state. That means a particular transition will occur. That means on addition or removal of heat to and from body. When we will just add or remove heat from the body, the state, particular object state will change. That means, suppose if we will add heat to ice, the ice is a state, so that this particular object from its state, that means the particular ice stage, it will transform into water. Okay, while adding heat to particular ice, okay, this particular ice stage, it will just convert into water form, okay, on addition of heat. Clear? Fine. Then thermal expansion, that means the phenomenon of expansion of matter on heating. Here what will happen on heating? Suppose any matter, whatever it is, it will just get expand. Okay, that means that is called thermal